Hello, thank you for tuning in to Conference Room Hardware, Path to Successful Meetings. We'd like to introduce you to our new conferencing systems, the Poly Studio X30 and its larger counterpart, the Poly Studio X50, both with magnetic lens covers. These rooms are controlled by a central tablet called the TC8, which is just a touchscreen tablet with various controls. To get started, just tap the TC8 screen. It'll turn on the display for you. You can hit Join Now, Meet Now, or Call to initiate your meeting. Scheduling a conference room begins with an Outlook invite. Use the New Appointment options in Outlook to begin. Give your meeting a title, and then book the room by using the Location option or Room Finder option. In this case, we are located in Seattle. I'm going to choose Conference Rooms, and then the room Lupine. You can also add additional participants to your meeting by adding their email address to the required line. Now that you have your participants added and the room booked, go ahead and add the Teams meeting option to the invite. With all three of these options set, go ahead and send your invite. Since we've booked the conference room, the TC8 in the room will display the calendar for the day. Your meeting will display right on the TC8. Likewise, the calendar shown on the conference room display will update as well. Go ahead and tap Join to access your meeting. The system will connect you to the meeting, and here you'll find a series of options shown on the TC8. Click the ellipsis to reveal more options, such as raising your hand or locking the meeting. If your participants are a bit too loud, go ahead and lower the volume of the soundbar with the minus button, or increase the volume with the plus button. You can also toggle the camera off and on, and likewise, you can mute off and on. If you need to add an additional participant to the meeting, go ahead and tap the Invite Someone option. Use the global address list to search for your new participant. Once selected, the room will call your new participant and ask them to join the meeting. Once the new participant has joined the meeting, you'll see additional options to either mute or remove this user from the meeting. It's important to note here that we did not use our laptop during this meeting. As you can see, I'm still on the invited list. I'm communicating to my participants via the hardware in the room. You can think of the room as a participant in your meeting. In this example, I need to display content to my participants. As before, I've booked the room, and tapping the Join button will initiate the meeting. Like usual, notifications will alert you that a meeting is occurring on your laptop. When you join the meeting on your laptop, you'll be prompted to choose your audio and video options. It's important to understand these options as they will prevent feedback during your meeting. Using computer audio will likely result in feedback. The phone audio option will give you a phone number to call in to join the meeting. If you're presented with the drop-down to use room audio, you can select the room that you have booked for your meeting, or use the suggested option, Do Not Use Audio. The conference room already has a microphone and speaker in it. You will not need to use the microphone or speaker on your laptop. Once you join the meeting, the TC8 will show that you have now joined as a participant, giving you access to share content. Your laptop will display the room. Give yourself a friendly wave as you show up on the screen there. And per usual, you have your options in the Teams meeting here to show participants the chat, the extra options to turn your camera on and off. We are interested in the Share Content button. Here you can choose an individual window or your entire screen to share. In our live example, you'll see I've connected to the meeting with my laptop. I am showing as a participant on the TC8. The room camera is displaying on my laptop. Give myself a friendly wave just to check my connection. And now I'm ready to share. Because I'm a participant in the meeting, all I need to do is tap the Share Content option. And here I will choose which screen or window I would like to display. I'm intending to show a spreadsheet I'm working on, so I will choose Excel, and it will display. Likewise, your content will also display on the conference room television. So anybody in the room can also see the content that you have on your laptop. Likewise, your participants online can also see your content. Once you have completed your demonstration, go ahead and click the Stop Sharing Screen option. This will close your shared screens, and you can leave your meeting.